If Lisa Cook wasn't a Fed governor, mortgage fraud doesn't seem like a big deal, does it? True, the max penalty for mortgage fraud could be up to 30 years in prison, and she loses the house, or houses in this case. Dr. Cook has filed a lawsuit. She'd like a jury trial in Washington, D.C., and hopefully get a good jury to give her a pass, but the appeals would not go as well. The Department of Justice has announced that they would just as soon not press charges for mortgage fraud for whatever reason. Some federal websites suggest that in spite of the mountain of papers one has to sign to get a mortgage to buy a house, mistakes are made. Some say as much as 10% of all mortgages, and most of them are clerical. Interestingly enough, Cook or her attorney, Abby Lowell, haven't given a reason for Lisa to put both houses, the Michigan place and the condo in Atlanta, down as her primary residence. Mortgage fraud laws are usually about two areas: an investor or realtor trying to make more money, or a homeowner trying to get a lower interest rate, which is something Cook, Fed Chair Jerome Powell, and the rest of the board know something about: interest rates, and have something to do with controlling the rise and fall of them. And as far as Trump and the administration is concerned, they say it just looks bad for a Fed governor to be doing this questionable stuff, questionable legal stuff. Treasury Secretary Bessent chimed in on the Zero Hedge article that, strangely enough, Lisa doesn't offer an excuse. Slip of the pen, ignorance of the law, greed, a clumsy clerk, nothing, which is odd for a bureaucrat. They usually have lots of excuses for doing stuff when they get caught. The trial judge last week didn't give Lisa her temporary restraining order to get Donnie J off her back. Now, with a third mortgage fraud charge, buying a property with a second mortgage, it looks rough for Dr. Cook, even though she got the Kamala tiebreaker. I'm David Allen Punt.